video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Etsy. But before I teach you guys how you guys can log in into Etsy, let me make it clear. Etsy is an American e-commerce company which is located in America. Since I already told you, it's an American e-commerce company which, manages handicraft stuff or vintage items. So you can basically buy and sell your handicraft stuff or vintage item in Etsy, alright? So that's the basic definition of it. If you guys need to know more about it, you can visit the official website to know more about it. But this video is on how you guys can log in into your account. So for that, you need to follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show first step is you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Etsy login. After you search for Etsy login, you want to click on where it says login/Etsy over here. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the login page of Etsy. Once you're over here, you want to click on where it says sign in. And once you click on sign in, it's going to ask you for your email address. And once you enter the email address, you want to click on continue. After you click on continue, it's going to ask you for your password. And after you enter the password, basically you should be able to log in into your Etsy account. And if you created your Etsy account using your Google, Facebook, or Apple, you want to click on these three options given at the bottom. Like after you click on it, it's going to ask you for some information according to the option you click. After providing the information it asks you, you should be able to log in into your Etsy account. So that's basically how you guys can log in into your Etsy account. Once you log in into your Etsy account, you can buy and sell stuff.